Meaning of depict.
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 Depict. Depict means to represent something or someone through art, words, or images. This word is often used in the context of visual arts, such as painting, drawing, or photography, where an artist tries to show a particular object, person, or situation. In literature and language, depict can refer to the use of written words to describe or represent something. It is an essential tool for writers who want to create vivid characters, settings, and events that readers can relate to and visualize in their minds.